So prop roots are nothing but the roots which are formed from the originate from the aerial branches, and it grows downwards and it enters into the soil, and they are also called roots, and these roots provide additional support to the plants. And one more root is called stilt root. Like prop root, stilt roots are also there. They also provide additional support. Now we are going to see about the importance of root system. See, if you want to know about the stilt roots, I want to say one more point. They also form from the stem base. So this is the stem, and these stilt roots are formed from the stem base, that is base of the stem. If you see sugar cane, they are not huge trees. They are small plants only, isn't it? Have you seen sugar cane, ma'am? Okay, they are not huge trees like banyan and all. They are also small plant, but huge number of plants, they need stability for the plant, isn't it? If there is huge number of sugarcane plants in one such area, they need stability for the plant. So certain roots originate from the base, stem base, and they grow obliquely penetrate into the soil. That is, they grow laterally penetrate into the soil. Those roots are called stilt roots. So stilt roots are nothing but they originate from the stem base. But prop roots, they originate from the aerial branches. If they develop from the branches, those roots are prop roots. If they develop from the base of the stem, they are stilt roots. The main function is to give the stability. Okay, so now we are going to see about the importance of the root system. Here some points were given. Absorption of water and minerals from the soil. So we know that plants cannot survive without water and minerals. So water and minerals are definitely needed for the plants, and those water and minerals are absorbed by the roots. It provides anchorage to the plant. Anchorage means what? Support. It provides support. They are fixed on the ground. No, the roots fixed on the ground. So there is a connection between the root and the soil. So it provides anchorage to the plant, and it stores food with the help of the swollen structure. We have seen napiform, fusiform, conical and all. So the roots store food. Because of that storage only, they looks like a swollen shape. They attain swollen shape, and they perform photosynthesis in some plants like trapa. There are some plants even roots itself do photosynthesis. One of the plant is trapa. Okay, in a higher class you people will study it. So we know that photosynthesis takes place only with the help of chlorophyll. So these trapa plant having roots also have what? Chlorophyll. So with the roots having chlorophyll, so the photosynthesis also takes place, and it helps in the respiration. So we have seen in marshy land, mangrove forest, they use they are called breathing roots, isn't it? Breathing roots, another name is pneumatophores. So we have seen we found these type of roots in mangrove forest. Okay, and helps plants in climbing. So that is one of the specific structure, like stem, leaf tendrils. We have seen a grapevine, it's a stem which will climb. Leaf tendrils, pea plants and all, we have seen leaf tendrils, that also for the support. Here some roots are also climbing roots are there. So that also what it will do, that is also one of the importance of the root system, and it provides additional support to plants. The best example we have prop root, banyan tree. So additional support of trees, modification. Here all we are discussing about root only. So you have to think related to that. So which root provide additional support? Prop root. Okay, and helps in derive nutrition from host in parasitic plants. So some plants, what they will do, they can't able to prepare their own food, so they derive the food. They will get the fruit from some other plants. So such plants are called parasitic plants. From which plant the food is taken, no, that is called host plant. The plant which is taking the food is called parasitic plant. So the roots are also doing this function. So, okay, so these are the importance of the root system. Absorption of water and minerals, provide anchorage, store food, perform photosynthesis, helps in respiration, helps plants in climbing, provide additional support, helps in derive nutrition from host in parasitic plants. But not all plants do all these functions together. There are some plants which will do some certain functions, okay, because they are modified root system. They have some modified root system. With the help of these modified root system only, these functions will do. Okay, so with this I conclude this session. We will continue in the next class. Okay, thank you.